Hello everyone and welcome back to MASFRA. It's Alexibot here on the Mind Development channel, and on this channel we guide people on how to use and develop their own minds from within so that the skill set, uniqueness and God-given gifts they have deep inside can shine through. Now in today's video I'm going to discuss the art of skillful thinking and why accurate thinking is a solution to most of our problems. Now the reason most people are losing touch of who they are or are unable to reach their full potential is because they follow blindly where others lead them out of a false sense of duty or trying to please other people. They would rather let others do their thinking than go to the trouble of thinking for themselves. Now, all the answers we are looking for is right within us. That is why Christ kept telling his people that the kingdom of God and heaven is within us. And the fact that most people do not understand him is no fault of his. Buddha said the same thing, and other great philosophers like Confucius, Thomas Paine, Ralph Waldo Emerson, James Allen, Neville Goddard, Robert Collier, all these philosophers were in support of this idea. Now, these philosophers who inspired men and women to think and act on their own initiatives contributed greatly to the civilization of America. Everything in the universe works in perfect harmony, just the same way night follows day or winter follows summer. God did not curse any nation. That is why the Creator gave everyone the brain to think his way out of difficulty. Nature's law is know what you want, adapt yourself to her laws, and you shall have it. Now, the reason countries like China, Russia, Germany, and America keep advancing is because most of the individuals have adapted themselves to nature's laws. Now, there's no difference between the white skin and the black skin. All we have to do is to say goodbye to some of our old limiting beliefs and adopt new habits that will push the human race forward. We have to learn how to draw upon our own minds from within so that we can fix some of the bad roads causing road accidents and eradicate poverty from Africa. The art of skillful thinking begins by taking full responsibility of your life and actions. It begins by telling yourself that, look, I am the master of my fate and the captain of my soul. Become the driver of your own destiny by taking charge of your own mind. Inside you, you have infinite wisdom and potential waiting to be unleashed. And this genius can come into flourishing if you believe. That was why Christ kept saying that whatever I am doing, you can also do it if you believe. The most important word here is what? Is believe. That is why Napoleon Hill kept saying that whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Taking ownership and full responsibility for our own lives does not mean we no longer listen to the opinions of others or take advice from other people. What it actually means is that we have to screen every opinion and thoughts of others before we accept them as what? Facts. It means we have to follow opinions based on facts rather than adopt random opinions of others. It means that most of us are born into a world that we know nothing about, and it is our sole responsibility to go in search of the truth. We are brought into a world that we know nothing about. We are not supposed to just take in whatever we see, right? Because this limiting beliefs, some of these beliefs or superstition can hold us down. It is more wise to go in search of the truth for ourselves rather than accept anything that is thrown to us. This brings us to the end of this video. Kindly like, comment and subscribe for all the latest contents. See you next time. Thank you.